Hi everyone, I'm Bridgetta, and today I'm making Me Tortellini, which is a meatless meal that's a spin-off from Me Chicken. Your ingredients are tortellini, and I chose the 5 cheese, Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, flour, Italian seasoning, red pepper seasoning, I've got garlic, whipping cream, vegetable bouillon or vegetable broth, salt, pepper, sun-dried tomatoes, and spinach. The next part is the sun-dried tomatoes. Now I buy them in this package and I'm going to add the oil, or your other option is to buy it already in the jar with oil. But I don't like that as much because it has a combination of oils in it. I just want olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to be specific. So I'm going to chop these because they don't come chopped. They're just julienne or halved. And then I'm going to add them to half a cup because I only need half a cup. And then I'm going to add oil into that. So I try to always use extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil. I'm going to add them to my half a cup. Good, that's what we want right there. Okay, and then next we're going to go over to the stove. Okay, we're going to start with the EVOO, about 2 tablespoons. Warming up, and then we're going to add our garlic, our minced garlic, our sun-dried tomatoes in the oil, oh, got one left, there we go. Okay, Italian seasoning, and our pinch of red pepper flakes. So we're going to stir this up. And okay, next we're going to add our flour to make a roux. Next, we're adding our vegetable broth. I'm going to stir while I pour. We're going to let that cook for a few minutes. Our next step is to add the tortellini. I've got 5 cheese, but I saw there was other flavors in the store too, so you can choose your favorite. Okay, stir that around. Salt in it, you might not want to add too much salt. So we'll start with just a pinch, which is sticking to my finger, so I'm going to grab a little more. And pepper. And we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. Our final ingredients are going to be the whipping cream. Oh, but first I need to turn off the stove. Now we're going to add whipping cream. Or you can use half and half. Parmesan cheese. I want to give it another stir. I want to make sure it's not sticking on the bottom. There we go. and spinach. The original recipe called for 2 cups. I increased it to 3. This is probably 3 good handfuls, should be about 3 cups. You can certainly use more. And you know, it looks like a lot, but it's gonna wilt down. And then this is it. This is your dinner. Now, of course, the recipe will be in the description box. So be sure to check that out. Me Tortellini. That's what I made. And I would say it was under 30 minutes. So you could definitely do this on a weeknight.
This was a quick one.
It was. It looks good. Now, of course, you could add meat to it. I would suggest cooked chicken.
Wow, nice and flavorful.
I like it. And
very simple.
Very simple. You can add some cheese on top, maybe?
No, I don't think it needs it.
Okay.
Very cheesy.
It is cheesy because you have cheese in the tortellini and then the
kind of a cheese
Parmesan
sauce.
cheese,
well,
right?
Not kind of, definitely.
Yeah. And it thickens up. No, I'm really happy with that. I like that.
Nice.
It was good. I like that it was easy.
I'll have to serve this tomorrow night when when James comes over.
We'll see. It might be gone by then. Who knows? So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again real soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
I like it.
Maybe bacon on top? Everything's better with bacon, right?
I think the bacon would make it too salty.